Hi, welcome to my channel. Xiaomi and Leica recently announced that they will be launching new smartphone in July, but didn't reveal which smartphone they will be launching. We are guessing it would be the long-rumored Xiaomi 12 Ultra. However, before the official announcement, we have some newly leaked information regarding the design and material of the smartphone. Let's have a look at all the details in this video. The phone is rumored to come with a 6.60-inch OLED flexible curved touchscreen display. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Xiaomi 12 Ultra is rumored to pack a unique Oreo-like quad rear camera setup. It is rumored to sport a single front camera setup for selfies and feature a 200-megapixel main sensor accompanied by an ultra-wide-angle sensor and macro sensor. The processor would be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. The device is expected to support a 120W fast charging while incorporating a 4900 mAh battery. Xiaomi Mi 12 Ultra 5G smartphone price in USA would be $950. Xiaomi Mi 12 Ultra 5G expected to launch in July. The Xiaomi Mi 12 Ultra 5G smartphone comes in ceramic white, ceramic black colors. This is the brief description of Xiaomi 12 Ultra. And this information is valuable, please share with your friends and family. Thanks. See you in next video.